Kooks. It is another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Pizza Wednesday. So that obviously means we are cooking another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles pizza. This one, a bit weird, probably not going to taste that bad. Just very strange. It is from episode 53, The Making of Metalhead. And the toppings are tea and toast. So I've got a piece of toast and I've got some dry tea leaves. So I guess we're just going to be putting some toast and some tea leaves on Cheese and Smart pizza. I can't see it being too terrible, but it's probably going to be a bit dry with a dry toast and dry tea leaves. But let's get on with it, eh? So tea and toast from the Making of Metalhead. Dough's ready. This is proven, ready to be stretched out. So let's dough. So that is stretched out and it's ready for toppings. So it's time for tea and toast. So as always, tomato sauce. Just ladle that around. Little sprinkling of some mozzarella cheese. So then we'll just break up this piece of toast and spread it out among this thing. And then, I guess we'll just sprinkle some of these dry tea leaves all over it. God, that looks weird. God, it smells just like a cup of tea. And that is tea and toast pizza. Ready for the oven. It just looks very burnt. So this is the tea and toast pizza all cooked. Maybe we should just put bread in and assume the pizza oven would toast it because the toast has gone a bit burnt. This thing absolutely stinks like, I don't know, like you've just split a tea bags open, I guess. Really, really strong tea smell coming from it. It looks just completely burnt because it's just covered in like black powder. I'm willing to bet actually that the tea leaves are probably all burnt as well. I don't think this is going to taste great. It just looks like a sort of charcoal pizza now. Oh. It's just tea leaves and toast, so it can't be that terrible, can it? But it's just so black now. The tea leaves and the toast, it's all just burnt. Not really things that you should be putting in a pizza oven, I don't think. Let's get a slice off. How can you hear the crunch of that toast? Look.
Oh, April, what I really wanted was a tea and toast pizza.
Well, there's not much to this one, is there? It's not like I'm dreading eating it. It's just going to taste like burnt toast, I think, with a bit of an aftertaste of tea. Oh. So dusty and dry. Can't even taste the tea, it's just like a black powder now, and the toast is just like completely burnt and just crumbly. Tell you what, that crust looks nice. I don't really know what to say about it, to be honest. It just tastes like burnt toast just covered in black powder. So I think the thing to have done, except the tea's all burnt, it's just so bitter in my mouth. I don't really know how I could have made this one any different other than putting bread on it instead of toast, and then the bread would have turned to toast in the oven, but tea leaves were still bare. I don't know how I could have put tea on it. Maybe just make a toast pizza and then dip it in a cup of tea. I ain't making it again, so it doesn't matter. So, bit of a boring one. Can't all be disgusting. I mean, it wasn't exactly great, but it wasn't revolting. Don't make it though. Right.